In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your tailgate handle on your Dodge Ram, located right here on your tailgate. Once your tailgate is dropped, we're going to go ahead and use our T30 Torx bit on our driver here to go ahead and remove these screws across the back. Our particular truck has a tailgate liner here, yours may not. We want to remove our tailgate liner and set that aside. Now this cover right here that goes across the inside of the tailgate, you want to remove that if you have not already. There's just a couple more of these screws. Once those are out, simply grab that cover, slide that up, and set it aside. On the back side here, you're going to find two 8mm nuts. Let's go ahead, loosen, and remove those. Now reach around the front side, and you want to hold that tailgate handle This bracket will now be loose. Slide that off to the side and just wiggle that handle and it'll pop free from the front side. Now I want to go ahead and slide this into the tailgate. Now you're going to have to grab the bracket on the other side with the rods and just kind of pull that away a little bit. Work this up and in. Line up the pins into the bed. With the handle in place, you can now go ahead and lower the tailgate again. With the handle in place, go ahead and grab the rod mechanism, slide this over into place, install the two 8mm nuts, and we're going to snug those down. Once that nut bottoms out, quarter turn, and you're good. Repeat for the other side. Go ahead and install your metal panel here. I'm going to go ahead and install the two screws. Now if you do not have a bed liner installed using some of these other screws, go ahead and put all of your screws in and go ahead and tighten them down. In our case here, we have two that we have to install and then install our liner. Go ahead and grab your liner. Get that into position. Let's go ahead and get all of our screws installed. We're just going to go ahead and repeat this process all the way down until we're done. Once you're all set, go ahead and button it up. You always want to go ahead and chest out that door handle here or the tailgate handle. Ours is working perfect. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.